Hello friends, my name is Ravindra and today I will tell you very interesting things about human brain. Friends, we know that most of our body functions, our decision making and body movements are controlled by brain. And brain is divided into two parts, right brain and left brain. Friends, left brain is logical, scientific and it demands evidences. It is also dominant part of our brain and related to the language. And right brain is creative, emotional, artistic and it expresses our feelings. Friends, true self-awareness requires the development of both the parts of the brain, your right brain and your left brain. But friends, if you see in schools and in colleges, the emphasis is given on the activities which are related to the left brain, like verbal intelligence, any words which are written or spoken. So, and the importance is also given to the exams. So friends, in schools, the activities which are related to the left brain are given lot of importance, and the activities which are not related to the left brain, that is related to the right brain, those activities are not given much importance, like the non-verbal intelligence. And the activities include like your singing, dancing, painting, drawing or playing. These activities are neglected. So friends, if you want to reach your maximum potential, there should be a balance between right brain and left brain. The activity should be in balance. So how can we bring that balance? Friends, I will give you 3 tips to bring that balance. First is get active. Any physical activity or exercise will make your right brain active, because the sports activities or exercise helps your right brain to keep in the active mode. Second, reading biographies or reading the books which you love, your subject of your interest, or any good books will make your left brain active, because it is related to languages, logic. So friends, if you want to keep your left brain active, then you should read. Reading is very important. And third is deep breathing. Friends, we should do the deep breathing if you want to keep your both the brains active, and it should be like one nostril open and one nostril closed. I will just show the demo to you. There should be in from one side and out from one nostril, so that, and it will do the reverse of that also, then it will keep your both the brains active. So deep breathing is also important, and you should do it daily in the morning for 10 to 15 minutes. It really helps. Friends, I'm daily basis I'm doing this activity, and you feel really fresh after doing this activity. So friends, remember these 3 tips for getting your both the brains active. Get active, second reading, and third deep breathing. So friends, use these tips for getting your both the brains in an active mode. Friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you can subscribe to it, and you can share this video with your friends. Thank you.